So we need to create an assignment link for the practicum log due at the end of week 3 and due at the end of week 6. So if you come up here to assessments and click on assignments, we're going to go ahead and click new assignment. I would label this practicum log due February 3rd, just so it's easily identifiable for the student. This is not worth a grade, but I typically put in when something is not worth a grade as part of the evaluation methods. This is just for review, instructor feedback. I typically do put in 0.01 just so I can see easily whether or not it was submitted and returned. And then I would include the due date here, which was February 3rd at 11:59 p.m. and simply click Save and Close. And then we can see, if we arrow down, should be practicum log due February 3rd. And then if we want to add the next practicum log, we would go ahead and click new assignment. We can title that practicum log due, and I know it was week 6, I forget the date, but due February, whatever date that would be, 0.01, and then we can add the due date here. So I think it must have been the 24th, due February 24th. And I don't think there's there's no instructions that are necessary. The student just needs to submit their practicum log and then save and close. Then when the student returns to the assignments, this is where, again, they would submit all of their assignments. And if we arrow down, you'll see the practicum log submission for each of those. Now it looks like you will need to make that visible. So if you click on the down arrow, make visible to student, or yes, so you can make it visible to the student. Click on make visible to the student. Okay. And that would be all to adding those 2 assignments that do need to be submitted but are not part of the evaluation methods per se, but just to keep up to date, to be certain that the students are logging their activities correctly. Please reach out if you have any questions.